Alright guys, so the first one in this list is Blockad. Well, ads are annoying and especially the full screen ones. And we actually cannot really pay for premium subscription for every app that we use. But Blockad is an app that can help you to avoid ads for free. As you can see that I am getting an ad on this dictionary app and same with this app also. So now let's turn on the Blockad and see what happens. No ads, yeah, it's as simple as that. Apart from blocking ads, there are other useful options baked into this application, but I cannot really go in detail on every option, maybe in a separate video. But anyway, Blockad connects to a VPN server and your internet traffic is routed through it, and ads get filtered in this whole process. Blockad will also disable pop-up ads or any other ads which you randomly see while using Chrome or any other browser. But you should whitelist this app from battery optimizations, and you can also lock this app in the memory so that it can run in the background all the time and block ads for you. And if this notification annoys you, you can disable the notifications from this app, but make sure that you see this key icon all the time to know that it's actively working. And trust me, you don't need to worry about battery drain because it's very nominal. So if you're tired of seeing ads on your phone, then Blockad is a must-have app. Next one in this list is NewPipe. It's a free YouTube plan but with all the YouTube premium features. You can play videos in picture mode, play audio in the background, subscribe to channels and all this without even signing in. But if you ask me that is this the perfect alternative for YouTube app, then my answer would be no. So why this app on this list? Well, that's because of its downloading capabilities. You can download YouTube videos in the best resolution available, which most of the other YouTube downloaders don't offer. You can also download audio only if you want, and you can also rename it before downloading, which is really helpful. But if you really want to use NewPipe as a YouTube alternative, then you should change some settings before using it. In subscriptions menu, first you should import the channels to which you have already subscribed. Instructions are provided on the screen itself and they are very easy to follow, so you can do it without any problem. Second one would be changing settings in video and audio. From here, change this option to minimize to pop-up player and enable this option also. And in content settings, go to this option and add what's new at the top so that you can see the videos of the channels to which you have already subscribed on the home screen of the app itself. There are other options to play around, but I felt these were the necessary options to enable or change to make this app usable as a YouTube alternative. I personally don't use this app as a YouTube alternative because this app does not suggest videos like YouTube app does, but for downloading videos from YouTube, it's my go-to app. So if you are a person who just watches videos of a specific person and does not care about YouTube recommendation feature, then you should definitely check out this app. But if you're not that kind of person, then also you can use it to download videos from YouTube. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, then a sub to the channel would be really amazing. According to the Meeker report, most smartphone users check their phones 150 times a day. So if you're a person who forgets stuff but never forget checking their notification on your phone, then this app will surely help you a lot. That's it, that's all this app does. Now this will stay in the notification tray and also on the lock screen, and now whenever you check your smartphone, you will be reminded about this. How useful is that? And once it's done, you can click done or swipe and it will be gone. So yeah, definitely check out this app if you are a very forgetful person. Ads are the major source of Google's revenue, so it's obvious that these apps are not available on PlayStore. Google Play Store has strict policies and some developers just don't care about getting their apps listed on Google Play Store. That's also one of the reasons why these apps are not available on Play Store. But you don't need to worry about it because the apps which I have mentioned are open source and are completely transparent, so you can install them without having any second thoughts. Moving on, we have Mi Explorer. It's a powerful and feature-rich file explorer app developed by the guys at XDA. This app is available at Play Store but it's paid. However, there is a free version also and can be downloaded from XDA only. You can open different tabs at the same time, add different add-ons, open different types of files, access system storage and much more. It's a very powerful file explorer app compared to your default file manager. So if you are looking for an alternative of Solid Explorer or ES Explorer or even your default file manager, then you should definitely check out this app. And the last one is actually not an app but different type of web-based applications. So if your phone is getting slow or you just don't want to use a lot of apps, then you can use web apps. For example, I don't use Telegram a lot but I don't want to uninstall it either. Then instead of using Telegram app, I can use its web app, which will offer me same functionality as Telegram application, but it will consume less space as well as less memory. There are a lot of web apps available. Social networking apps like Twitter, Instagram or even Pinterest is also available. Now let's see how you can use a web app. To add a web app, just search for this on your Chrome browser and now add this to your home screen. Once it's added, open it and select the app which you want to use as a web app. let's select, let's say Instagram, click launch, and now add this to your home screen, and that's it. Now you can use Instagram as a web app. It will not work as seamlessly as main Instagram application, but yeah, if you don't use Instagram or let's say Twitter very often, then definitely you should use web app of Instagram or Twitter instead of using a separate space consuming apps. And with that, we get to the end of this video. I personally like Blockad and web apps, but which apps do you guys like the most? Let me know in the comments below. And give this video a huge thumbs up if you find it useful. And lastly, do consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. I'm Ravneet signing off for now, and I hope I will see you all in my next video. Till then, keep watching.